Hi everyone, welcome to your second of 3 lessons on the Tokugawa Shogunate and the end of Japan under the Shogun, located under the Tokugawa Shogunate tab on the Japan under the Shogun teaching and learning website resource. Last lesson we looked at the Tokugawa Shogunate, all the shoguns who ruled during that shogunate, as well as Tokugawa Ieyasu, the founder of the Tokugawa Shogunate as well. We know that the Tokugawa Shogunate is the last shogunate of Japan under the Shogun, or medieval Japan, and it was ended by this event called the Meiji Restoration. So the Tokugawa Shogunate played a key role in interacting with the outside world. The Tokugawa Shogunate banned Christianity because it threatened Buddhist and Shinto beliefs, because these beliefs gave the feudal system authority. Eventually, America visited Japan by Matthew Perry and forced them to make a trade agreement. This ultimately led to the fall of the Shogunate Japan system due to the introduction of nationalism, guns, and cheap imports, which led to economic unrest. This led to the Meiji Restoration. The Meiji Restoration was the return to power of the emperor over the shogun with Emperor Meiji. Emperor Meiji was helped by the Shishi, powerful anti-Tokugawa samurai, who overthrew the shogun's authority using nationalism, unrest in the working class, which was caused by natural disasters and foreign influence. There were 2 groups of people during this time: the Kaikoku, which means open the country, and the Joi, which means expel the barbarians. So we can see here, these were the Japanese soldiers, looking quite different from samurai warriors in their uniforms here. And we've got a portrait of Emperor Meiji here. This is what he looked like. Your first task is to watch this video here on the Meiji Restoration. It's a really good 10-minute video that goes over the complete rundown of the Meiji Restoration, really marking the end of medieval Japan. And write 5 things you learnt from watching this video and be ready to share it with the class as well. And then lastly, your only official task for this lesson, there are 2 quite heavy education perfect tasks on the decline of the shogunate, internal pressures and foreign influence, and then decline of the shogunate, significance of the Meiji Restoration. So a fairly straightforward lesson here to learn about the Meiji Restoration, the event that ended medieval Japan and the rule of the shoguns over Japan as well. Just watching this video, writing down 5 facts, and then 2 education perfect tasks. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you for your next lesson on Japan under the Shogun. If you like these learning resources and want to stay updated to any new websites or any new lessons that are made in existing websites like this one, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.